And first, here at 4:30, we do begin with breaking news on your Valley roadways. Thank you for joining us on this Wednesday. I'm Megan Thompson here at the Traffic Alert Desk. So if you're heading to work this morning in the Ahwatukee or the Chandler area, a heads up, we've got multiple lanes blocked due to a crash. We want to get out to ABC 15's Adam Minzer. He is just arriving on the scene here this morning. Adam, what can you see from my vantage point with those ADOT cameras here behind the scenes? It looks like some kind of trailer tipped over, blocking multiple lanes there on the 10.
Good morning, Megan. I know you have been tracking this very closely from the Traffic Alert Center. Simply put, it is a mess out here. And when I say mess, I'm talking about that trailer, that construction-like vehicle that is causing this backup that you see behind me right now. You can see, and when I say mangled, you can see exactly what I mean. And it's hard to even tell what kind of vehicle this is. It is so messed up, crashed. Pick the adjective you want. And if you look at, so we'll look at the vehicle and then you can look and you can see the damage it did to the median. I mean, it looks like somebody took a bite out of the intermediate median. We do know that right now there's 2 lanes blocked off, one of those being the HOV lane. Those are those 2 far lanes. There's still some debris on that side as well as in addition to the vehicle. Now, as far as hurt, who was taken to the hospital, we know 2 people were taken to the hospital as a result of this, the driver and the passenger. But we still don't have any details on their condition, though our cameramen who were out here right when this happened, a little bit before 3 a.m., did see one of them walk on their own accords to get onto the stretcher to get into the ambulance. So hopefully a good sign. But again, no update on the condition quite yet. We'll be asking ADOT for that throughout the morning hours. I want to show you guys how the traffic is moving this morning. Right now, it has started to pick up as that morning rush hour is starting. So we are seeing that buildup happening of the traffic, as particular in the closest lanes off to the closest to the median. So we're going to be here throughout the morning hours. Megan, I know I'm going to be talking to you to figure out how people can get around this and what people should know as they're starting to get into their morning commute.
Yeah, thank you so much for being out there, Adam, because you really help me here at the Traffic Alert Desk because you're able to see a lot more from what I can from those ADOT cameras. But what I can see more than you, though, Adam, is more of that vehicle. If I bring you here to that image of our ADOT cameras, you can see this trailer tipped over out there, and you see this large vehicle just laying on its side, while Adam can see a wider view of what lanes are actually open in this area. So the HOV lane, the left lane, those are definitely blocked off right now in the eastbound direction. Now, the westbound side, you do notice the HOV lane is also blocked off because of that damage to the median that Adam was mentioning out there. So at this point of the morning, it's still early and it's in the eastbound direction. So those speeds, they're about 15 to 20 miles per hour below the speed limit. In fact, dropping even further to about 25 miles per hour now as we look at those maps as you're approaching that particular area. To get around this one, you could get off the freeway, maybe at Ray Road, and then work your way on 56th Street, known as Priest, right in that area, maybe working your way over to the 202. If you need a freeway alternate, you could also hop over to the 101, depending on where you need to go here this morning. We do anticipate this could be quite some time before we see those lanes reopen. So we'll keep you posted as that morning rush really starts to pick up here at the Traffic Alert Desk.